It's our pleasure to have a great friend from UK, York, at Innovation Zone of Thessaloniki Innovation Zone. And my first question to you is, can you please tell us a little bit about your startup and actually what it does and what is the unique value proposition of your startup?
Yep. Hi, so I'm Julie Macey-Hewit. I'm Head of Operations for a startup called Testcard. We're based in Scarborough, which is about 40 miles outside of York, so within North Yorkshire. We're a medtech company, so we have sort of three prongs to what we do. So the first is at-home testing. So we have a UTI test, which people can do at home, links into the GP surgery, you can get antibiotics. Our second is a point of care testing for clinicians in hospitals. So we read lateral flow tests, so COVID, flu, pregnancy, and that then integrates straight into our NHS systems, so it goes straight into their electronic patient record. And then our third is screening. So at the moment we have a screening trial for bladder cancer, which we're working with 6,000 participants with Yorkshire Cancer Research, and that will then roll out to 100,000 if it's successful. So our value added is to save time for clinicians, to save admin as well, and obviously to save money. But primarily it's so that the patient's record is up to date and nothing gets lost in translation.
For how long do you operate?
We've been commercialised for about 3 years now, so we're at the scaling stage.
And what tips you will give to a startup, a new startup, that some failures that you face, what you will advise them not to do?
I was having this conversation last night, and I think a really important thing for any startups is the why. Why are you doing it? What is going to make you get out of bed? What are you adding to your product? So yes, you've got a product, but what's it going to add to what's already out there? And your personal why as well, not just your professional why. What's your value that you're getting from this business?
Great. And my last question is, what is your expectation visiting Thessaloniki, Greece? What do you expect from this visit?
Yeah, so it's to build relationships. I think there's a lot of crossovers between Thessaloniki and York, and North Yorkshire in particular. I think if we can start building relationships, then businesses as a whole, so if we can get a few of us over here and then a few of you over there and build them, I think that's the biggest thing. Also, it's really important, I think, for the universities to be working with businesses. Another conversation I was having last night, these are the people that are going to come into our businesses, they're going to work for us. If we can get in early to see what they need, I think that's really important.
I strongly believe with collaboration we can
yes,
have innovation.
Absolutely,
Otherwise
100%. And students bring something different to a business as well. They have those new thoughts, new ways of doing things. Really important.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.